Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. This is for you customers. There's a lot of mobile mechanics on Craigslist and other places that are advertising working on cars. I don't bash anybody. If you got to make some money, make some money. Do what you have to do, but do it right. If you have a mobile mechanic show up, listen to the vehicle. How's it running? Is it a work vehicle? Or this is like a private vehicle? Do they have uniforms? When they're writing the invoices, how are they writing it? Is it printed, handwritten? Where are they getting their prices from? The parts, are they allowing you to get the parts yourself? Or are they getting the parts? Are you getting a good deal? As a business, and as a consumer, you have the right to ask for their business license. If they do not and cannot produce their business license, do not allow them to work on your car. Anything happens, who are you going to hold reliable? Who's going to hold in the warranty? Is it an LLC? Is there a sole proprietor? What is their Google reviews? Do they have a website? What method of payment are they accepted? Is it in a personal way of pay, like Cash App in a personal name? Or are they taking credit cards? Is everything in the business name? Do they have business cards? That is very important. Having the business cards, where's the reputations? Do they have any referrals you can ask about? What is your gut feeling, customer? If your gut feeling is saying, hey, I don't feel comfortable with this person, get rid of them. Find somebody else. If you don't trust what they're saying, don't hire them. Or if they're saying something that kind of doesn't make sense, look it up for yourself, ask them to explain it, or get a second opinion. It's your money. If they're trying to upsell you or pressure you to do something, make a choice on your terms. Now, if it's, if you don't do the spark plugs, your Cadillac converter is going to get, clogged up. Yeah, you might want to get that fixed. But if it's, you need an oil change or something that can wait or whatever it is, it's your money. You do what you have to do. But you as a consumer, you have a lot of power. Use your power. Ask questions. Just don't believe whatever a person says to you. Also, look it up. Get an explanation. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. I'm here for you customers. People before profit.